Hey everyone, it's Davita, and I wanted to share something with you really quick that I thought would be really cute for you guys to do for your Christmas party, or just even Christmas Day with family coming over, or giving a gift. What I did is I took the little peppermint discs, the candies, and I put them inside a round 9-inch cake pan, and I put it on for my oven, I put it on 340. And I did it for 6 minutes, but I kept checking it to make sure because it can scorch or start really bubbling up, and then it's ruined. But anyway, I did this knowing that it would probably fit pretty well on my cake plates. And then what I did with it, because I had a ornament party, and so I put this with the other things I had made, and I took also this candy mold, and I made the white bark candy with the pistachios and the dried cranberries and put it on top, and it makes a cute presentation. I'll show you what it looks like with some of the candies. So yeah, that's all you do. You get some peppermint discs, and they're like 99 cents at Walmart right now for a package. I bought 2 packages, and I used a package and a half to get both of these. So you just, like I said, you put it in the oven, 340, and you can do whatever shape you want. You can even get cookie cutters, put the candies inside the cookie cutters on parchment paper. Make sure to put it on parchment paper too, I should have said that. And you can make it any shape. You could make it a star, whatever cookie cutter you have. I didn't try that, but I've watched it on different videos. I just did this one. I think it was a couple years ago I did a Christmas tree, and if I can find a picture of that, I'll insert it into this video. And that turned out cute, except I didn't have quite enough discs, so I didn't get a couple of the corners of the Christmas tree. But what I did is I put strawberries. I can't remember, did I do chocolate-covered strawberries? I'll have to look at the picture, I can't remember. But anyway, if I get that picture, I'll post it with this. And so I used it as a tray for the strawberries that I took to a Christmas party. Anyway, so I'll be back to show you with those little candies on top that, it really looked kind of cute. So I'll be back in a minute.